Hey guys, Brad here. Recently I brought a 2008 Ford Transit van and called it Gypsy. The plan is to deck it out as a camper and travel around Australia taking photos. I am actually a photographer slash carpenter, so that is the plan. So far the mods that I've done, which I didn't really think needed to be recorded because they're kind of boring, but I've put a light bar on the front. It's super discreet in there. And I have put a DVD player in. It's nice and neat. And it's got the reverse camera also, which is a must for a big van like this. Up there, heading away. But today I'm just going to put some sound deadener on. I got some of this rattle trap stuff off eBay. I've sort of been reading all the other reviews and everyone seems to be using that, so I'm going to start banging it on the walls and hopefully it'll stop a lot of the vibrations and noise. I think the best way of putting this on is just to cut it with the scissors I found, so I'm just going to start cutting it and banging it on. Hey guys, so all the sound deadening has been done in the van. I'm now up to doing the flooring. I've pulled the old flooring out. Today is going to be a day of cleaning the bottom of the floor and prepping it for the boards to check it out. So firstly I'm going to mop it all out, get all the crap out of the van floor, and then put a under sealant on it first, put bits of timber in between all these ridges, and then once that's done I'm going to use this self-leveling product and self-level the whole floor, and then I'm going to put vinyl boards down shiplap so they lock in. So now that I've chucked all the ridges with MDF, it is now time to chuck down all the self-leveling. So I've just got to get the van level enough for all the self-leveler to go in all the cracks and crevices where they should go. So this is where I'm up to. So I've just got the jack under there and the two stands. So while we're under there, they don't give out and the van drops. So it's nice and level now. So I've gone with this product. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But one of my buddies is a vinyl layer and he's recommended me to use this stuff. So this is what I'm using to self-level the floor, getting it ready for the vinyl. So all the self-leveling is down. Didn't really go as good as I thought it would, but it's all good. I gave the floor a bit of a sand, so it's pretty smooth now, and I am about to start laying all the floorboards. So this is what I've done so far. So I'm actually going to measure the center of the van, flick a line, and I'm going to start from that line from the middle of the van out. So there's a center line from each, left to right, right to left. So the flooring is now done. So I haven't worried about putting boards in along there. I obviously ran out and I'm not paying $35 for a pack when I only need 2 boards. So the kitchen and the bed is going to go here anyway, so it's going to cover it. So I thought there was no point putting an extra couple of boards in. So I'm going to call the floor good. I've just got to put a couple of trims. So this trim here, I'm going to put back along that edge here. And I'm going to put this trim back over the step here. It's not sitting 100% down, as you can see there. So I'm going to grind all this off, and that lip there as well. So the trim is now done, it's on, as you can see. Come up pretty cool, I reckon. And the step has now been put back on also. I attacked it with the grinder and got it sitting nice and flush.